Hello student, this is Pooja Patel from Oracle Coaching Classes of Commerce. Today I am delivering you the lecture of Economic for Standard 12th of Maharashtra Board. This paper contains 100 mark weightage in the board examination, which broadly classified into two parts: 80 marks for final exam and 20 marks for aptitude test. Up to previous year, in place of aptitude test, they are taking oral examination, but this year they are discontinuing with the oral examination and taking the aptitude test, which contain multiple choice question, is conducted by the college. Let us move towards the syllabus. Syllabus is almost the same as the previous year, but there are few new content added in the syllabus. Chapter 1, explain the concept of micro and macroeconomics. Introduction to micro and macroeconomics. Chapter 2 is a utility analysis, is explain the concept of consumer behavior. Chapter 3 is explain the concept of demand, which broadly classified into two parts. Chapter 3a, demand analysis. Chapter 3b, elasticity of demand. Chapter 4 is a supply analysis, is explain the concept of producer behavior. Chapter 5 is the forms of market, which explain the concept of market. Chapter 6 is the index number. Chapter 7 is a national income. Chapter 8 is a public finance in India. Chapter 9 explain the concept of money market and capital market in India. Chapter 10 is a foreign trade of India. I am starting my first lecture with chapter 2, that is utility analysis, with the question 1, what is utility? Utility means want satisfying power of a commodity. I am explaining you this answer with the example. If I have a biscuit as a commodity, biscuit has power to satisfying your hunger, that is called utility. Second question, types of utility, forms of utility. There is a possibility of asking this question in the board examination and distinguish between, define the concept, answer the following, and few questions in objective. There are 6 types of utility. I am explaining all the 6 types of utility with the example. First is a form utility. If we have a wood as a raw material, we convert the shape of wood into table, chair, furniture, is called form utility. Second is a place utility. Same product will give different utility at different place. For example, woolen cloth in Kashmir will give greater utility as compared to Mumbai, because Kashmir temperature is low as compared to Mumbai. Same product will give different utility at different time, is called time utility. For example, ice cream will give greater utility in summer as compared to winter. Service utility is delivered by profession like doctor, teacher, lawyer, chartered accountant to the client, to the student. Possession utility, if you went to the shopkeeper not only transfer you the position of the pen but also the ownership of pen to you, that is called possession utility. Knowledge utility, if you learn something about new thing, new application that you never know before it, that is called knowledge utility. For example, in today's COVID-19 period, everyone attend their college school lecture in the mobile, in laptop. They are gaining the experience of e-learning, that is called knowledge utility. Question 3 is a features and characteristic of utility. Sometime in place of feature, they are using the word nature. There is a possibility of asking this question in the board examination in answer the following. First, features is a relative concept. Utility is different from time to time, place to place, that's why it's called relative concept. Second, utility is a subjective concept. It's different from person to person. Some person like ice cream, some person didn't like ice cream. So utility for one product is different from person to person. That's why it's called a subjective concept. Third, ethically natural concept. Utility, the concept of utility has no ethical consideration. It is morally colorless concept. For example, person can use knife to cut the vegetable, fruit, as well as to harm the person. Fourth, utility is different from pleasure. If you are sick, you went to the doctor will give you the injection will help you to recover from the sickness. It provides the utility to you, but nobody likes injection, so it does not give you the pleasure. Fifth, utility is different from usefulness. Drugs will give utility to drug addictor, but it is harmful to his health. So utility and usefulness both are different. Utility is different from satisfaction, because utility is a cause of consumption and satisfaction is the end of result of consumption. With this question, I am ending the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. If you have any queries, regarding this lecture, you can email me on this email ID, that is poojapatel.01 on the rediffmail.com. I am also running online classes for junior college, that is bookkeeping and accountancy, OCM and economic subject, and for degree college, financial management, financial accounting, cost accounting, research methodology and auditing with nominal fees. Thank you.